have 11 universities at different places. In Northeast 5 and 9 business schools. From the beginning, the focus is on technology usage to the teachers and ensure quality. So that is the reason our mission and vision is merit with ethics.
I've got this great opportunity to use BrightClass, their software and their hardware. I think it is a great leap in education system in India. With the help of these new digital ways, I think we are able to reach students at all time and share our material.
So many things we have drawing in the boards and so many experiments we have to write. So we can easily share with them and explain why it is doing and how it is doing and what is the main things behind that. That we have too much time is saved and we can explain the student very specifically.
Though I am teaching a subject which relates with numbers, sometimes it's look boring. But when we have different kinds of colors, when you can change the interfaces, the students which do not want to attend also give some kind of attention, which really helps us to make the subject more easier.
The students get more involved, interested, and they become more interactive, reciprocative in the classroom sessions.
I can also show PPTs easily, and we have facilities here to show different videos from YouTube also. So these facilities are helping me a lot.
Subjects like economics and finance, we require graphs and other things to understand. After that smartboard is installed, it is very easy for us to understand the things right now.
While giving presentation, it's very easier to present ourselves. We can draw, we can use PPT system, we can connect with pen drive also.
Of course, the BrightAI, which will give us real data regarding any topic which you can bring and seek the students' attention towards the real life data.
We could show them, the students, different aspects of a cardiovascular system which were unknown to the students before.
If I give the topics, some same topics, we can easily generate the MCQ questions from the AI support. So I'm really much impressed to see these techniques.
It will be very easy for teacher to provide us notes, also the assignments and everything.
I get boom to those learning facilities, as those charts or those presentation will be being created within 2 minutes.
Question paper setting, it is one of the best.
I found that this is very helpful for me, especially for me.
It will enrich the overall learning environment where participative learning can be encouraged, and that will enhance the critical thinking in the classroom.